In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize WooCommerce effectively. If you own an online store powered by WooCommerce, you might already know how important it is to ensure that your site operates quickly and smoothly. A fast WooCommerce store enhances user experience, improves search engine rankings, and can lead to higher conversion rates. So, let's dive right into it. One of the first and most significant steps in optimizing your WooCommerce site is to install a caching plugin. Cache plugins are crucial because they create static versions of your content and serve those instead of processing the full WordPress PHP scripts every time. This greatly reduces load on the server and speeds up page load times for your users. But it's important to remember, install only one caching plugin. Having multiple can cause conflicts and actually slow your site down. Among the many options available, Lightspeed Cache often stands out as a particularly effective choice, especially if your hosting provider supports Lightspeed servers. Lightspeed Cache offers intelligent caching for dynamic and public content, and it integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce. When optimized correctly, this plugin can dramatically reduce page load times. It includes options for advanced minification and combination of your CSS and JavaScript files, as well as settings to optimize images, which are also important factors contributing to your site's performance. Now, once you've decided on and installed the caching plugin, it's time to configure it properly. Each plugin will have its own settings that you'll want to tweak for the best results. With Lightspeed Cache, for instance, you'll find options to adjust cache storage settings and control when and how pages are cached. Explore these settings thoroughly, and don't hesitate to consult any available documentation or support forums for configuration guidance specific to your store's needs. Remember, when adjusting these settings, it's key to keep testing your site's speed throughout this process. There are several online tools available, such as GTmetrix or Google's Page Speed Insights, which provide valuable feedback on your site's performance. When you run tests using these tools, pay attention to recommendations concerning CSS, JavaScript, and image optimization, since these often contribute heavily to load times. Lastly, check out any extras your plugin may offer, like lazy loading for images or database optimization, which also contribute significantly to performance improvements. Explore these options if they align with your performance goals and requirements. And there you have it. By understanding the importance of having a single caching plugin and knowing the benefits of selecting a robust choice like Lightspeed Cache, you're on your way to enhancing your WooCommerce store's speed and efficiency. As a final note, always ensure your plugins, themes, and WordPress core files are up to date to benefit from optimizations and enhancements regularly released by developers. Thanks for watching, and here's to a faster, optimized WooCommerce store.